Doodle Kids Studio.
Today, we're going to find colorful shapes in these bright jars. Look at all those shapes inside. Let's pick them out and match them to our pegboard. Let's dip in and see what we discover. Let's start with the blue jar. I'm going in. Hope I don't turn blue. Here's our first piece, a blue circle, and it has one hole. Let's match our blue circle to the pegboard. We need to find a peg with one rod. Here is one rod for one hole. Perfect fit. All right, let's find our next shape. It's a blue square. Let's count the holes and match it up. 1, 2, 3. 4 holes and 4 sides. All right, here are 4 rods. Just what we need for our square. There we go. Perfect fit. Now let's find the next shape. Next, we have a blue rectangle. Let's count the holes. 1, 2. Now let's match it up. Okay, here's a peg with 2 rods. Perfect for our rectangle piece. It fits just right. Time to find our next shape. All right, here's a blue triangle. It has 3 sides. Let's count the holes. 1, 2, 3. Let's find the peg that matches. Here's a peg with 3 rods. Just what our triangle needs. Now, let's move on to the next one. All right, our last piece in the blue jar is a pentagon. It has 5 sides. Let's count the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's find its perfect spot. We've got 5 rods here. Perfect for our pentagon. All right, we're done with the blue jar. Now let's move on to the red jar. Here's a red pentagon. Where do you think it goes? Here? No! Correct! Okay, let's go find more shapes. Here's a red square. Let's see where it fits. Where do you think it goes? Here? Perfect fit! What do we have next? It's a red circle. Where should we put this one? Let's place it on the blue circle peg. Perfect. Next up is the red rectangle. Where do you think this one goes? And done. Let's see what's next. Next, we have a red triangle. Let's find where it goes. There it is. Perfect. Let's move on to the yellow jar. Here comes a yellow square. Can you spot its place? Right there. Let's stack it. All right, what's our next shape? Here comes a yellow pentagon. Can you find where it belongs? Nice! That's the perfect match. Next is a yellow circle. Let's see. Where do we have a circle? There it is. Let's place it on top. Perfect! Let's keep going. Here comes a yellow triangle. Can you spot where it belongs? Nice! Perfect fit. Here's the final shape from this jar. A yellow rectangle. Can you help me spot the rectangle space? There it is! Let's place it on top. Perfect. Now let's move to the green jar. Time to play Guess the Shape. Are you ready? Can you guess what it is? It's a green square. Let's find the matching shape. There it goes. All right, here comes the next one. Can you guess the shape? It's a green rectangle. Any ideas what next shape might be? 5 sides. It's a green pentagon. Where's the spot for this shape? There it is. All right, ready to guess the next shape? What shape do you think this one is? It's a green triangle. Let's look for the matching shape. There it is. All right, one more to guess. What shape do you think this is? It's a green circle. Did you guess circle? Great job! All done. Great job matching all the shapes. That was so much fun. See you next time.